All right, here we go. Oh, back it up a little bit.
Mommy, let me show you. It doesn't even need stairs to go down these. What? It doesn't even need decorated. Fine.
Whoa, that's a pretty wild truck. You can climb me.
Hey, Boo, please watch. It even goes like this. Ah.
Oh. You want to jump it the other way?
No.
No, take it up the other way. Jump it on the other ramp I set up.
Isn't that awesome?
That is awesome. This one, I think I like this one better than... Alexander, please don't run down that. You just dented it, bud. We got to use that for the ceiling now that piece is ruined. Bring it back over here.